So the Powered Wheel project started with the owner of Bimodal, Toby, coming over to our booth and asking us if we could use electrified bicycles with search and rescue. And while electrified bicycles weren't going to help us, I pointed him to our litter here that has a mountain bike wheel and said, we've been wanting to power this for a long time. Do you think you can help? And he looked it over and said, can I have it for a couple hours? And a few hours later, we had the first bimodal powered litter in the world. And since then, we put it into field use. It makes a huge difference. Normally it would take us 6 people, 2 people, 1 person front and rear, plus a whole 4 harness of people in a mule team to carry the litter up the hill with a patient in it. Now with the powered wheel system, we can throw our gear on at the beginning and we can move just as fast as our hasty team with only 2 people. So for us, ATVs are absolutely not an option. I mean, on the Big Sur coastline, it's all single track, and most of it's so steep that you couldn't get a mountain bike over it if you had to. A lot of switchbacks and things like that. And so for our environment, this is the only thing that's going to get in there other than a helicopter. If we have any kind of weather issues, then the helicopter's not available. And then we're looking at doing a manual carryout with a 200-pound patient. Even if we have a team of 14 people, which is pretty common for some of those deep end rescues, you're rotating people through so fast and you're getting burned out quick. And by the time you make that 2,000 feet back out, everybody in that 14-person team is spent. But with this system, the motor is doing the work of about 4 people. And so as we're fighting and struggling, having the wheel carry its own weight is huge. I mean, especially for getting out there, because we've got to take all the rescue equipment, medical equipment. We take even more gear than this sometimes. It used to be incredibly slow to get the equipment out there and you'd be wasted by the time you got to your patient, but now you've still got to turn around and come all the way back out with even more weight. One of our major rescues, we have to go in 12 miles and about 2,000 foot of elevation change. That was a truly miserable carryout. With the bimodal powered system, we're able to do the same rescue with only 2 people and at more than twice the speed.